Hello, today we will guide you through how to change password on Fusion Markets. In this walkthrough, we'll update your account password from inside the Fusion Markets hub. Make sure you're signed in and that you're using a trusted device and a secure internet connection. If you're already logged in, start on the hub's main area. First, navigate to the Trading Accounts section. This is the page where you usually see your live and demo accounts, balances, and related actions. If you land somewhere else, use the main menu or the hub logo to get back, then look for trading accounts. If you're asked to sign in again, do that before continuing. Next, head to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. It may appear as your initials or an avatar. This opens a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your personal account area where you can adjust details and preferences. Give the page a second to load fully so all tabs appear. On the Profile page, select the Security and Privacy tab. This is where settings for password, login security, and privacy controls are grouped. It's the right place for making secure changes without affecting your trading setup. In the Password section, click Change. You'll see the on-screen form for updating your password. Typically, you'll be asked to enter your current password, type a new one, and confirm it. Take a moment to create a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. Aim for a longer passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid easily guessed details. Now follow the on-screen procedure to complete the change. Carefully type your current password, then your new one exactly the same way in both the new and confirm fields. If the page shows requirements, make sure your new password meets them before submitting. When you're ready, select the button to save or update. You may be prompted to verify the change, such as entering a code sent to your registered contact method. Complete that verification to finish. After submitting, look for a confirmation message that your password was updated. From now on, use your new password when you sign in. If it doesn't seem to work the first time, double-check capitalization and any special characters, and try again. For best practices, consider using a reputable password manager. Avoid reusing passwords across sites, and sign out of shared devices when you're done. That's it. You've successfully changed your password on Fusion Markets. Thanks for following along.